Hey friends, it's Kevin here from Diary of a Chubby Yogi, and I'd like to thank Yelena Whitecrow, one of our followers on TikTok, for the inspiration and, well, the request for the story. It's one from the Ramanyana, and it's about the bridge of devotion and unity. So take a moment, get a comfy seat, maybe take a deep breath and close your eyes, because I'd like to invite you not just to take the story into your ears, but see if you can take it into your heart. Now, long time ago, in an ancient land, there was a king named Ram. And Ram was a wise, noble, and deeply loved king. However, his heart ached for his beloved wife Sita, because you see, she had been kidnapped by the demon king Ravana. So, together with his faithful friend Hanuman, who happened to be the son of the wind, the monkey god, they knew that they needed to formulate some kind of plan to be able to rescue Sita. So in his wisdom, Hanuman gathered up an army of monkey warriors, each one of them individually filled with a fierce loyalty and a love for Ram. But as they stood on the shore, gazing at the vast ocean, well, they realized that between them and Lanka was a ginormous void, and doubt began to stir in their hearts. The waves crashed against the rocks, and the wind howled menacingly. "Oh, how will we ever reach Lanka?" the warriors began to murmur amongst themselves. "The sea is endless, and we are not like Hanuman, who can cross with one godlike step. We are only small creatures in a vast world." Ram listened to their concerns and their worries, but his gaze was steady and calm, fixed on Lanka. He then gently reminded them, "Friends, with hearts united and faith in our purpose, anything is possible. Each of you, no matter what your strength or size, you all have a role to play." Inspired by his words, Hanuman then stepped forward and lifting a large stone from the beach, and with all of his heart, he began to carve Ram's name into the stone. And then, with a short prayer, he cast it into the ocean. And to the amazement of everyone around, the stone didn't sink, but it floated. One by one, the monkey warriors followed his lead, lifting stones of all shapes and sizes, inscribing them with Rama's name, and then placing them into the water. Now, some of the stones were small, some of them were light, so others were heavy and incredibly cumbersome. Yet each one found its place into this growing bridge. They all worked side by side, any differences or worries forgotten because they became united in their purpose. The day then quite quickly turned into the night, but they never stopped. They never questioned, and they kept working. Every stone that they placed was an offering of love and an expression of pure faith. The bridge grew stone by stone, a pathway that was born of devotion, full of selflessness and unity. The bridge finally stretched from the shore of India all the way over to Lanka. And it was, like I said, it was a creation of pure dedication and a real testament to what can be achieved when many hearts come together for a single cause. Ram and the army then were able to cross the bridge, and through strength and love of the monkey warriors, they were able to rescue his beloved Sita. Now, this bridge still stands in spirit because it's a reminder of the power of unity, faith, and purpose. Now, let us take the story and perhaps put it into our everyday lives. Remember that each thought, each action, and each breath that we take is a stone laid in devotion to something greater. We are, each of us, a part of this bridge, stronger together, and each with our own unique role, our own idiosyncrasies that bring joy and light into this world. My name's Kevin. I'm from Diary of a Chubby Yogi, and it's a great pleasure, it's a great honor to be able to share these stories with you. If you do have any requests, please drop us a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, take care.